Hello students, I Khushboo, your go-to IELTS mentor, welcome you back to IMS Venturi. Today, we are tackling the 5 most common mistakes in IELTS writing. So whether you are preparing for task 1 or task 2, I am going to be sharing a few quick tips with you to help you avoid these common pitfalls and have a better band score. So let's jump right in. So students, let's see which are the 5 most common mistakes in IELTS writing that you need to avoid to have a better band score. So the first one is task response issue. So if you have watched my video on IELTS assessment criteria, you would know what is task response all about. So task response is about understanding the question properly that you have been assigned in the question paper and addressing all the parts of it, okay? So to avoid this kind of issue, we need to see whether we are addressing all the parts of the question or not. If we are not doing that, then we need to do that, okay? That is one thing. The second thing is that we have to be relevant to the question. Whatever you are writing should be relevant to whatever kind of question has been given to you or whatever kind of topic has been assigned to you, and try to minimize digression or straying off the topic, okay? Be very crisp with whatever you are writing. So this is the first thing which can be avoided very nicely in your IELTS writing examination. The second one is ignoring the word count. So see, you have two tasks. Task 1 is supposed to be, delivered in 150 words, and the second one is supposed to be delivered in 250 words. So if you try to ignore this word count, and if you write more or less, both are going to detract your, IELTS score. So we need to see that we are being relevant here as well with the word count, okay? So try not to write too much and also not too less, okay? If you try to write too much, sometimes what happens is that people or students come to me and ask that, okay, going less than 150 or 250 is an issue that we understand, because that is going to, eat up our score. But can we not write more? So you can write more, students, but the thing is that if you, let's say you are attempting your task 1, you have to write 150 words. Now if you are taking too much time here, and if you are writing, let's say 250-ish words or something, and you are going beyond 20 minutes or something, okay, then what is going to happen? You are going to eat up time from the second task, which has double the weightage of the first one, okay? Or if you are going to just keep writing in the second task also, you are going to miss out on the answer only, because the timer will stop in CDIs, or let's say even if you are in pen and paper mode, you are going to face repercussions. So that is something that you need to understand, and hence it is always advised to stick to the word count. 10 or 20 words more than enough, more than fine, okay? But try not to go far and beyond, and try not to write a lot of words which are extra and which are beyond the word limit, okay? The third thing is having a poor structure. Now always make sure that you have a very well organized answer, okay? Having a poor structure or no organization is going to make your answer look incoherent and not well planned, okay? So try to avoid this and have a very proper and nice structure to your answer, okay? Develop arguments in such a structure, in such a manner that they are all making sense and they are looking well developed, okay? The fourth one is repetitive ideas. So if you repeat the ideas again and again, if you do not talk about new things, and if you are not aiming to add variety to your answer, it is also going to reflect in your band score, and it's going to make it go low. So try to avoid this also. Do this thing that whatever you are writing is something new, okay? Make sure that it's something new and it's adding a new layer to your argument that you are trying to deliver in the answer, okay? This way you are going to come off as somebody who has a good knowledge of what they are talking about, and this is also going to make you look confident in talking about the topic that you have been assigned, okay? The last one is not supporting ideas with examples. So students, what happens is that sometimes we talk about something, let's say you are talking about an argument, and you are not giving specific evidence or particular examples to justify that. So this is going to, make your writing look very less developed. Okay, it's not going to add any kind of depth or layer to your answer, which is going to look bad. Okay, so try to avoid this and try to have some instances or some experiences or something which is going to produce some evidence for whatever you are making as a statement or whatever you are saying, okay, as an argument. So if you avoid all of these, you will definitely have a better band score in your IELTS writing. So that's all for today, students. I hope you understood how to avoid the common mistakes in IELTS writing. If you found this video insightful, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such content. See you next time. Thank you.